Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making pan-seared asparagus with bacon. Alright, I'm starting on a large frying pan I've preheated. And I have some bacon here. I have a half a pound of bacon I cut into like 1-inch pieces. I'm going to get my bacon in here and I'm going to get it nice and browned up. Alright, now that my bacon is crisped up, I took it out and set it aside on some paper towel to drain. And I drained off most of the grease out here, the bacon grease. I'm going to add in about 2 tablespoons of butter. And I turned my heat down on the skillet. And I'm going to melt this in the butter or in the bacon grease to try to keep the butter from scorching and browning. Just want to melt your butter. I'm going to put a little more bacon grease in there. And it's going to give it a really good bacon flavor, the asparagus. Alright, let me spread that around. I have some asparagus. And this is thin asparagus, and I don't know, we did the Walmart pickup, and the guy at Walmart that picked this for us, he should be slapped because this is not the prettiest asparagus. I'm going to get that in a pan, and this here is going to sear up really fast because it's so thin. And I have my heat down on medium. I'm going to allow this to fry in here for a few minutes, and I'll turn it over every now and then. Right now that my asparagus went, it was probably about 4 or 5 minutes. It didn't take long because this is thin asparagus. I'm going to add in some garlic, and I'm using a pre-diced stuff, guys. I'm going to add in about 2 cloves worth. And you wait till towards the end with your garlic to add that in because you don't want that to scorch on you. And I'm going to get my bacon back in here. You see how nice my bacon is? It's crispy, but it's not burnt. We're just going to stir that around to get that moistened up in that butter and that bacon grease that was in there. Alright guys, this is ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up the plate and see what we got. I also went ahead and made pork chops in a white wine sauce. And I made garlic and butter smashed potatoes. Let me get in here and try this asparagus, guys. It still has its color. It's vibrant. It's not all washed out. If I can get one piece. It's good. It has a slight crisp to it, but it's not underdone. You get that bacon and garlic and butter flavor in there. Try a little bit of this bacon, guys. Crispy, well flavored from the butter and the asparagus that I cooked with in the garlic. Guys, that's really delicious and it wasn't hard at all. Alright, there you have it. Pan-seared asparagus with bacon. Thanks for watching, and remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.